Huawei Mate 9 Take-Apart Repair Guide. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, T2 torque screwdriver, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver, power down your Huawei Mate 9 phone. Eject the dual nano SIM and micro SD card tray. Extricate the following two T2 torque screws from the bottom of the Huawei Mate 9. Use a plastic triangle opening tool to release the clips and then pop the phone out of its metal rear enclosure. The cable array for the fingerprint sensor, power and volume buttons, and LED flash is still connected to the motherboard, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Disconnect the cable and separate the Huawei Mate 9 rear case from the phone. Peel up the piece of black tape. Extract the following Phillips screw, and then the metal bracket. Spudge up the Huawei Mate 9 battery connector. Detach the bevy of cables from the motherboard. Remove the following 8 Phillips screws. Remove the metal bracket. Carefully free the Huawei Mate 9 motherboard from the gob of thermal paste securing it to the midframe. Use a spudger to extricate the noise-canceling microphone. Detach the 20-megapixel Huawei Mate 9 dual rear-facing camera from the motherboard. Remove the following 8-megapixel Huawei Mate 9 front-facing selfie camera with autofocus. Remove the following 5 Phillips screws. Use the tweezers to detach the signal cable and remove the metal bracket. Extract the interconnect cable. Pop the following 2 connectors off the Daughterboard. Easily remove the Huawei Mate 9 Daughterboard. It includes the USB Type-C connector, 2 microphones, spring contacts, and some control hardware. Pry the Huawei Mate 9 loudspeaker up from the midframe. Lift the proximity sensor and ambient light out of the chassis. Plug out the Huawei Mate 9 earpiece speaker. Tweeze out the spring contact connected vibrator. Locate the Peel to Remove Adhesive tab on the side of the Huawei Mate 9 battery. Keep the adhesive strip flat and wide while slowly pulling it up and away from the phone. With a little sputtering, free the 4000 mAh battery from the adhesive, securing it to the Huawei Mate 9. Peel the spring contact up from the midframe. Use the heat gun to warm up the adhesive, securing the 5.9-inch FHD Huawei Mate 9 display assembly from the frame. Start slicing through the adhesive with the triangle opening tool. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display's cable when decoupling the Huawei Mate 9 screen from the frame. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.